Look, I'm not stupid, but a therapist once gave me homework to do. She said, sit for 5 minutes and do nothing. And I said, how do I do that? Well, you know what it's like when you're stressed and overwhelmed and you're so stuck in the challenges you're facing. Thoughts and jobs to do are swimming around your head all the time, day and night. You're exhausted. Times like that, you struggle to take action. Never mind something that's totally out of your routine, like sit and do nothing. But now, I have mastered the art of doing nothing. I had to find my own way through it though. But I'm not going to let you do that. In this video, I'm going to tell you step by step how to sit and do nothing and why it's extremely important. So first, why it's important. This is how you get unstuck if you're overwhelmed. I know you have a list of 20 things to do in front of you, and I'm saying sit and do nothing for 5 minutes, and that will really help. But aren't we doing nothing when we're so exhausted that we can't talk to the kids? Or when we are so overwhelmed that when we sit down in front of the computer and look at our list, we just don't know where to start? So here's the secret to getting unstuck. Taking 10 minutes per day to be still and quiet allows your mind to rest and process information. And this practice can have loads of positive effects, including reduced stress, improved focus, increased self-awareness, better decision making, better sleep, and who doesn't need that? A greater sense of calm, and even increased creativity. Now, just to make sure you've all got that, I'm going to put up a list. Now you look at that list and tell me, is there one thing on there or even several things on there that you don't need right now? Tell me in the comments if there's any of these that you could do without. So it's definitely worth doing. Now, what I wish the therapist had said to me was, here are some practical steps to sitting and doing nothing. I won't let you down though. Here are some practical and actionable steps to sitting and doing nothing. Step 1, find a quiet room and a time that you're not going to be disturbed by any visitors, any deliveries, next door's dog or anyone. Step 2, if there's someone else around you, ask them not to disturb you for the next 10 minutes. I know you only need 5 minutes, but allowing 10 minutes gives you a bit of time to settle in. Step 3, put your phone on Do Not Disturb and then set a timer on it for 5 minutes and press start. Then put the phone down somewhere where you can't see it preferably. Step 4, sit comfortably and close your eyes. Now you don't have to close your eyes, but I find it works better because otherwise I'll be sitting and looking out of the window thinking about all the jobs that need doing. Step 5, do nothing. Now thoughts will come into your head, but try to just let them drift by in the same way that they drifted in, and try not to catch hold of any of them. There might be momentary gaps between your thoughts. Try and focus on that space between the thoughts and just try to stay there for a while. If this sounds woohoo, it will make sense when you've tried it. If you're really struggling, you can focus on your breaths going in and out. Just breathe normally and just focus on your breaths going in and out. Step 6, and the final step, when your alarm goes off, switch it off and just sit for a little while longer. Massage your face a little bit or move your arms and legs a little bit just to bring you back to the present time. And that's it, you did it. If you struggled, try again the next day and the next. Once you're comfortable with this practice, go to 6 minutes, 7 minutes. Just keep upping each day or each week, whatever feels comfortable for you. Aim to get to a point where you can comfortably do 10 to 15 minutes daily. Look, this technique really worked for me. Ever since I've started doing it, I've been a lot clearer. I don't react to stress as badly as I used to. I can handle it better. I find it much easier to focus and get things done. And it even helped me start meditating every day. And the benefits of meditation are even better, as you're probably aware. But if you'd like a video on it, let me know in the comments. Remember, this isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Some days your mind will be quieter, and some days it'll feel like a busy motorway. Both are completely normal. The magic happens in those small moments of stillness, even if they only last a few seconds. You're training your brain to find calm in the chaos, and that skill will serve you in every area of your life. So try this out. I highly recommend it as a practice that will change your life. 5 stars. What's that? 10. Start tomorrow with just 5 minutes. Your future self will thank you for it. And to make sure that you've got everything that you need, I've done a free download and the link's in the description below. And this covers all these tips, the step-by-step, and goes through in detail the benefits that we listed. Just a quick ask before you go. Most people who watch our videos haven't subscribed. So if you enjoyed this or any of our other videos, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I think I'm going to go and be quiet for 10 minutes now. Maybe even have a lie down.